Hi, this is Sandeep Gupta and I am the director of Tangles, a chain of unisex salons in the NCR region. Due to COVID-19, all of us have been forced into a lockdown for almost more than a month now. And I believe in my life of 47 years, this is the first time that I am seeing business close their doors for customers for such a long time. I do understand how difficult it is for all of us to deal with something like this. At this time, it's very important that we support the government, the local authorities, people who are in need, and most importantly, our employees in whatever way we can. We all need to follow the instructions and maintain social distancing. That, of course, goes without saying. I'm sure that all of us, be it salon and spa owner, or employees, suppliers, and other vendors, are doing their best to come out of this. All of us also know that things are going to drastically change when we reopen our doors. Our customers and authorities will be more vigilant, and we need to be extra careful and follow procedures. The hygiene, sanitization, health, personal well-being of our customers as well as our staff is going to be of utmost priority. Meanwhile, it's also very important for all of us to be in regular touch with our customers and keep them updated about all of this. At Tangles, we are utilizing technology to communicate with them. It might be through SMS, through social media posts, and various kind of videos that we are doing on how we are prepared to serve them again and in a better way. We are also working on special packages, membership plans, and updating this in our salon management software, courtesy Envoy. As we all know, necessity is the mother of invention. We have to keep thinking out of the box and use smart ways to save our time and cost. Best wishes to all of you. Stay updated, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you.